Welcome back to the channel. Miniware opened a 3D accessory design contest where you can choose your own prize, and they have some mysterious new products, so I had to enter. And we start by unboxing the TS1C. This is gonna be the main feature in my design, so let's see what's in the box. As always, a manual. The box feels really premium. The way how you open it, it feels like a present. The base is smaller than I expected. I love this really small form factor. The handle feels nice in your hand. It's a bit heftier than the TS100, but not that much. The tips are the same they use on the TS80P. I think they are well designed, and we only missed the eject button here on the TS1C. And since we are comparing, the TS1C is a bit more expensive than the others, but while editing this video I can confirm I used it a lot already and I really love it. Back to the unboxing, and the last thing we find in the box is a silicone USB-C cable to connect it to the power source. Box is closed. Time to start designing. I wanted to create a modular soldering station because the TS1C is a really small form factor, and with the help of this you can make it as big as you want. We're starting with the base modules, and from there on I create the different versions. As you can see, I'm making a left, a right and a middle station, so you can expand to whatever side you want. And then the first variation is tips only, to store your spare tips. The second variation, one I am going to use, is to store your spare tips and to store your tweezers. Next variation is one to mount your soldering wire into, so you can easily dispense it. This variation was really important to me, to put your cleaning bowl in and so you can clean your tip. And a spin-off from that is the cleaning bowl with a place to store your spare tips. Then when I was done with designing, it was time to print the modules. I'll be using M4 heat inserts, and do as I do, always test fit before you put them in. And today we're using something new, an adapter for my TS100 to put the heat inserts in. I don't know why it took me so long to get one of these, but yeah, I finally got one. Maybe you can recognize this moment. You use the tool, but you don't remember where you put it, and it's right there in front of you. Now it's time to put the heat inserts in. In the design I made a hole of 6mm to put them in. This is the same as the outer diameter of the heat insert, and this gives it a nice fit. Remember, I'm using this tool for the first time. And this was the exact moment I was thinking about, why didn't I get one sooner? You only have to put inserts into the middle parts, and when you're done you can connect the modules together with M4 bolts. This is the module for the solder wire. I designed it to be capable of mounting the most common size solder wire spools. In my setup I used the middle part. Here you can see me put all the pieces together, but one thing you don't see me do is securing it with M4 screws on the bottom. You should do that too. And there you go, my entry for this contest, a modular soldering station. All the files will be available on Makerworld, and the link to the files are in the description below. If you're missing something and you want some specific things, don't be afraid to ask. And while you're on Makerworld, don't forget to check out my other designs. Thanks again to my Patreons. And thanks to Miniware for hosting this contest. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please reach out. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next.